header coming round, John Deere 12A, towed by a John Deere dad. That probably wasn't that uncommon. There are a lot of these towed in. 5 foot cut, straight through. Grain took no corners, no nothing. The wee 2-cylinder motor sitting on there just to cook the baggie. .50-foot McDoon's front on an X9 John Deere on tracks, again to stop the compaction of the ground with wheels and tyres. Air conditioning, yeah, I don't think you'd even have to steer, it should be an auto steer. And instead of dragging a truck around the paddock with a hot exhaust pipe, use a grain cart like this one, or several other mates. They're becoming more popular in here, around New Zealand.
Okay, so we can see the machines going around now, the big and the small. This little John Deere that I'm just about to walk in front of, and the harvester that it was. And then of course we've got that big machine there of the May brothers, just going to get lined up to throw a bit of grain, make out it's going to throw a bit of grain. That can harvest 70 tonne of wheat an hour, no trouble at all. 70 tonne of wheat an hour, no trouble at all. The biggest thing is to keep up the machinery in front of it to be able to take that amount of quantity and weight. And with the track system that's on it, it doesn't have a lot of ground compaction. But to steer it around small paddocks is not an option, so big fields and big quantities is what it can put in. The front on it, this front that does the harvesting, is worth around $250,000 alone. The machine itself is getting up close to $1 million. So you're looking at approximately $1.3 million of Maxon front and John Deere header right there. So it's not something you buy your wife for Christmas. Alright, yeah, we should have the cars coming very shortly, and then the American tractors, and then the truck's 375, and I love that. That's me, I'm going to get all over that. But yeah, the cars are coming very, very shortly, and there's some amazing cars, so if you get yourselves lined up, which I think they are, we'll get you in the arena very, very shortly as well.